The pamphlets in this class action lawsuit allege that certain Ford vehicles suffer from a defect that causes tailgates to crack. The suit seeks to represent all current and former owners and leases of a Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer from a 2002 to 2005 and Lincoln Aviators from a 2003 to 2005. MotorKing's reinforced design increases the thickness and adds 9 supports to prevent cracks, ensuring durability and longer lasting. It comes with non-painted or pre-painted to all OE colors. To find the color code, that is located in the VIN sticker near the front of the driver's side door. Installation tools require a metal filler scraper, a small hammer, a roll of 2.5 masking tape, a heat gun, a razor blade / gasket cleaning tool, lacquer thinner, or brake fluid. Put 2.5-inch duct tape below and around the tailgate panel to protect scratching or damaging. Use a heat gun to heat up and remove emblem. Use a small hammer to tap on the metal filler scraper. Start from the left corner to the right to lift up and pull out the broken panel. Attention! Do not tap hammer too hard as there is glass underneath the panel. Always tap sideways, not pointing towards the bottom. Use a razor blade or a gasket cleaning tool to remove all old adhesive or glue. Use a clean towel with lacquer thinner or breaker cleaner to prepare a clean surface free of oil or grease. Apply adhesive or other bonding agent to the surface. We use 3M Automix Easy Sand Flexible Part Repair Black. Apply on the outer edge a 3mm width and a 3mm thickness of adhesive. In the 6 center circles, apply about a 3mm width and a 1mm of thickness. Attention, do not overfill. Install the new tailgate panel and have an assistant to align both sides. Top and bottom edges push down against the adhesive firmly, evenly from the center to both sides. Use masking tape to secure the panel. Let it dry for 4 hours. Then remove all masking tape. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.